Oh, right there.
Right
Come
there,
on.
you got it? Oh.
Yes, oh my god, I got it, no way, iPhone SX.
How much?
How much you want? 300?
$300? Nah. So really quick before the video starts, I wanted to send a quick announcement that I still am doing my iPhone XS giveaway. Guys, this is the phone I won in the video and I'm giving it away to one of you completely free. I'm making the giveaway live stream completely random, so you have to stay subscribed and you have to keep those bell notifications on if you guys want the best chance at winning this phone. Even greater news, I'm really happy to announce that I will soon be completing college and becoming a full-time YouTuber. This is my last semester and that's why I've been lacking on some videos, but guys, I'm ready to do this full-time. And with that said, if you guys can get me to 1 million subscribers by the end of the year, not only will I be giving away this iPhone SX, but I will be also giving away an iPhone XR before the end of the year. So guys, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, spread the word, tell your friends. Thank you to everyone who plans on entering, and I wish the best of luck to all of you. I'll see you in the video, and thanks for watching. What is going on, Joy fam? Welcome back to another video. Guys, it's been a while since I posted, but I am back at it once again. We are back at Keymaster, and there is an iPhone SX right here. Guys, it's been a while since I played this machine, but I've been waiting for it to be due, and it's been about 3 months, so I'm gonna try it right now.
Oh, dude, I got you.
Oh, thank you, Vince. Holding my money for me. Thank you. Here we go, guys. iPhone SX. It's been a while since I've won one, so we'll see. We'll see if we can repeat the process and
we can do
get
this.
myself a new phone. Let's stop it right there. Oh,
wait.
That was rigged. That was rigged. It is rigged.
You think it's rigged? Oh,
It's a little rigged, but I'm gonna keep going. iPhone SX. I want you with me right now. Oh my God. No. All right, don't worry. I'm gonna keep trying. I'm just gonna keep going for it. I'm sure I can get it if eventually I hit the payout. It's just when is it due and can I hit it right on the spot? Oh my God, come on.
Man.
I don't know, man. That's hard. It's just a matter of like, oh man. All right, here we go. Come on, baby. Right there. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's close.
Bro, you almost got it.
I'm gonna keep going.
You almost got it, bro. Just
right
a little bit.
There. Oh my gosh, it rigged me.
It's rigged. It's always rigged.
Well, I got 3 more tries on here, guys. If I don't win it with these 3 tries, I'm just gonna leave.
For Christmas.
Oh,
you got it?
No way. Okay, wait. That time it didn't deviate. That time it did not deviate. Guys, I got 2 tries left. It might be ready.
Let me get it here.
Alright, let's try it again, guys. This iPhone might be due. Let's see if I can win it. Yeah, there's an iPad, but I think the iPhone SX
I think,
is
yeah, the
way
iPhone
more.
XS is way more.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Ready? Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm missing it just by a little bit.
Just by a little bit.
All right, we got one more try on here. Right there. See if we can win it.
Just gotta focus, bro. Just gotta listen to your shop.
Listen to the key. Let it unlock my heart. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Guys, I think it's ready.
Close.
I think it's ready. We're gonna go one more dollar in there. I'm trying to win it right now and I'm just sucking, so I need to actually like. Alright, here we go.
Come on, man. You got this, man.
Come on, key. Unlock a new door for my life. That involves an iPhone SX. Oh, right there.
Right there, you got it. Oh.
Yes, oh my God, I got it. No way, iPhone SX. No way. Heck yes. Oh my gosh.
Shit.
No way. Guys, that is so insane. Check this out. What? This is the 64 gigabyte. Yeah. Is that right?
Oh.
Yeah. Oh.
Is that the iPhone here?
Yeah. This is the iPhone X. Isn't that
Is that
crazy?
real iPhone?
Yeah. It
I've
is.
been watching that. I've been playing for almost an hour and spending
playing
a
for
lot of
almost
money
an
to get
Yeah.
an iPhone.
It's really hard to win, but yeah.
Are you willing to sell it?
Sell it?
Yeah.
Oh my God. gosh, I don't know.
No,
Shoot.
But some cash now.
Oh my
No.
god.
iPhone.
I can't. I mean, it's worth a lot of
I've
money.
been here
I'm
for
so
almost an hour or two just to get an
Oh, no.
iPhone.
Guys, this is really sad. I probably look terrible, but I'm so sorry. Like, I'm actually doing a giveaway, so I need to give this away. I mean, you can try to enter the giveaway, but I can't.
There's an iPad you can win,
You can
lady.
try to win maybe another prize,
Trying to
but I
get that,
can't.
just
I'm so
this
sorry.
iPhone.
Oh my gosh, that's so funny.
That's so.
Oh, yeah, we're filming a
Nah.
YouTube video, so
I can give
sorry.
you that, cash.
I can't. I'm so sorry.
How much would you give?
Yeah.
How much?
How much you want? 300?
$300?
$300?
Nah. We can
Oh my
literally
God.
sell that for 800.
know.
But no,
Yeah.
we're good. We're gonna have it.
Thank you. Anyways, sorry. Oh, wow.
yeah.
Alright guys, that is the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. That is crazy. I won another iPhone X. I don't think this one's the max, but this is still a crazy phone right here. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, subscribe down below. Links are in the description as always. I'll see you guys next time, and thanks for watching.